Good afternoon. I got this perfect gift, perfect badge from CSC or Civil Service Commission yesterday when I got my two professional certificates that I passed the professional board exam for teachers alphabet. So I am a professional teacher and a professional civil service eligible. Congratulations to me and to all too. I dedicate it to all. I love you all. I dedicate it to heaven, God, and to my family and to my two sons, of course, and to my future husband. I love you all. I love you. I love you all.